Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Elmo Milkshake. Now this is absolutely delicious, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we're going to do is make our own special whipped cream, and the reason I'm doing this is two reasons. One, for the color, I want the color to be red, and two, I want it to be nice and thick and stable and not fall apart. So, very easy to do. Start off with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Put that in a bowl. We want to whisk this until it forms soft peaks, and then we're going to slowly add in some sugar. Now, soft peaks is when you lift it up and it just falls over. You do not want to hold this over your head to test it because it will fall out. I have 1/4 cup of sugar in here, but I'm only going to add about 1/4 of that at a time. So sprinkle some sugar in here. It's a good time to add in some red food coloring as well. So a couple drops will be good. And keep whisking. Slowly add in some more sugar. You could also use powdered sugar as well. And finally, it should be at stiff peaks when you hold it up and nothing comes out. And that is going to be our cream we use. Oh yeah. So I'm just going to put this cream into a large piping bag. We'll put this aside and carry on in making the rest of our milkshake. Now we're going to decorate our glass. I have a really tall glass here. We're going to decorate the outside and the inside. I just have some regular frosting right here. This is white. You could color it red if you'd like. I think it'll be fine the way we're going to do it. Just spread it around really good. Next, we're going to take some red sprinkles and sprinkle on top of that white frosting. And the best part is, if you use a plate or something to catch it, especially a paper plate, you can just put the excess back in. Now we're moving on to the milkshake portion, and I have my blender out and ready. We're just going to put in 1 cup of milk. About 4 or 5 scoops of ice cream. If you put more scoops of ice cream in, it makes it thicker, less makes it thinner. Now we're going to add about 5 or 6 strawberries that I've already cut up and cleaned. And some strawberry syrup. This is optional. About 2 teaspoons. And blend. Now we're going to pour our milkshake into a prepared glass. Oof. Top it off with our homemade whipped cream. A few more red sprinkles. And a giant version of this Elmo cookie, and I made smaller ones in a previous video. And top it off with this giant Elmo cookie. Don't worry if things fall over. Ugh, it's not working out. I filled it too much. Let's chip away some of this. So things are not working out the way I want. I'm gonna trim a little bit of this cookie and maybe it'll fit in the way I want it to fit in. There, and then here. This happens sometimes. What are you gonna do? All right. Well, that's better. Still making a mess, but better. Giant mess, but it certainly looks better anyway. Well, that's it. I got it on there finally, but it was a little bit messy. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's dig in and see how good it tastes. This is delicious. And of course we have to try it with our tiny spoon too. Amazing. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Elmo Milkshake. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also check out this video right here, and I'll see you next time. We want to whisk this until it forms soft peaks, not steep peaks. We want to whisk this until it forms We want to, I can't talk. Things together, no. And some strawberry,